Hi guys, so I've got another little package here and this one is a little different. I was watching one of Wendy Mason's videos where she won a prize from Danica Creating. I don't know if I'm saying that, I hope that's right. It's Danica Creating on YouTube, and she won some little teeny tiny doilies. And I commented on Wendy's video, oh those are, really cute doilies. And then Jannie, I don't know if I'm pronouncing, I don't know if it's Jannie or Jenny. I'm going to say Jenny, okay? I'm sorry if that's wrong. But Jenny from Danica Creating messaged me and said she'd send me some. And I was like, oh no, like, because I feel terrible, like Denmark to Australia. I didn't want her to pay for postage. And she said they're very light anyway. And I said, well, what I would love to do to help grow your channel as well is have a little giveaway with them. So but I'll announce the details of the giveaway in my next video. I just wanted to show you what she sent first, and I'm so sorry, Jenny, I have had this package for a while. She said she sent it on the, I think, 5th of December, and I got it on the 10th of January. So it did take just over 4, almost 5 weeks to get here. But I have had it since the 10th, sorry, and I haven't opened it because I've been getting so many happy mails, and I did want to use this as a giveaway, but I did want to purchase some doilies from another store to use as part of the giveaway as well. And but I'll announce all the details of the giveaway in my next video. So I'll just open this, and it was so kind of you to just offer them. It was so lovely because I hadn't actually seen your channel. I hadn't come across it until Wendy Mason won that giveaway. And yeah, so from Wendy's video I did go over to your channel and I did start watching your videos, and I saw some pine tree, woodland and birch journals. They're the ones I watched first because they're the ones Wendy had said they were awesome. And oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. You have to head over to her channel and have a look. Her journals, they're like, it's like an old gnarly tree that you might find in the woods. That beautiful journals. Really gorgeous. Anyway, I have lifted this up, but I haven't opened it yet. Look at these gorgeous stamps. Denmark. Oh my gosh. Oh, and you've sent more than you were meant to, cheeky. Oh, look at these. Let me check the note first. Oh, that's lovely. She said, "Dear Bonny, here are a few things and the doilies I promised. Feel free to grab something for you. If it gets there in time, then Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." It's funny that we're still like, I've still got stuff Merry Christmas. I'm so sorry I've taken so long to open this as well. But, oh, thank you. Actually, these I think were the little ones that I commented on, and you sent all of these as extras. Uh-oh, one of these bags I can't open. Why can't I open these? It's my big man hands. They can't open little dainty baggies. Oh, these are little paper ones, look. Actually, I can't remember what the little doilies were Wendy won. I don't think they were the little paper ones. Or was it the little flowers? It's so long I can't remember, but oh, you've sent so much more than I thought it was anyway. Look at these. These are really cute. Little die cuts. That one looks like a security. Oh no, I was going to say it's security envelope, but it's really thick. Like super thick. I've been tossing up the idea of getting, you know, little, I think it's a Sizzix Big Shot that most people use. But I don't know if I'll use it enough. I just, I don't know. Oh, these are so cute. But then when I saw Wendy in our last upcycle challenge, I sent her some of those fabric softener bags. Oh, these are so cute. Yeah, and Wendy made some little doilies out of them, and then they were so cute, and that got me wanting to get a die cut machine all over again. These are cute. I can see that you could punch anything with these. Oh, I've got some ideas for these little guys as well. Thank you. These little baggies are cute too. These looks like some more little punch outs. Oh, see, this one's embossed. It's a paper heart, but look. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's embossed with a flower. They're cute, thank you. Little snowflakes. Crowns. Thank you so much. I think I've got a heart, a little, what have I got? I've got a heart, I've got a flower, I've got a key. Actually, I never use these, I should. And I've got a square scallop and a circle. Nothing fancy. Oh, these are lovely. These remind me of things that like my grandmother would put on her dressing table and stuff. You know, when you're young and you think they're so daggy, but then now that you're older, we go looking for them in op shops to craft with. A little handkerchief. I've got a whole bunch of handkerchiefs from my grandmother's house as well. Oh, they're like the white butterfly doilies that I came across, except the ones that I came across were on a great big tablecloth. A flower. Oh, this one's really nice. My grandmother used to crochet doilies and make a lot of things like this, but she did that really intricate work. Oh, thank you so much. They're so lovely. So some of these doilies will be in little packs for my giveaway. I don't know if I'll just have one big prize or what yet. Oh my gosh, look how you've done this bag. Okay, that is so cute. I'm totally stealing that idea. It's a scallop circle punch, which I don't have. But I will use a flower or something, or a square punch, and she's put 2 holes and a ribbon through to close the bag. Honestly, how adorable is that? Oh, I love that idea. I'm totally stealing that idea. I kind of don't want to open it because it's so cute. Look, that's so gorgeous. And look at these little flowers. Are these the ones that Wendy won? I really can't remember, but you've made these. They're so cute. I really want to crochet or... See these? I don't think these are crocheted, are they? What are they? I don't know. They're kind of loopy. Like little loops. Big loops. Sorry, I'm sniffing. It's so hot here today, and then this afternoon it came over so windy, which was really great. They're so cute. This is, look, Tony Williams, this is like your Skittles. This is your little Skittles cousin. Oh, thank you so much for that. And I'm so sorry for taking so long to open it. But yeah, head over to Danica Creating channel, have a look. You've got to, like, you absolutely have to go check out the videos I watched so far, that I remember. The pine tree, the woodland, the birch journals, and she does gnome homes. Teeny tiny little baskets and tables and everything. It's so adorable, all handmade. But yeah, I love those wood effect journals that you've made. Absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. They hurt my heart, honestly. They're gorgeous. You've got to go have a look at them. So original and so creative. Really love them. I'm going to put all her details down below, and tomorrow I'll be back with another video with the details of my doily giveaways. Thanks for watching. Bye.